The first ever Indian Oil Awards for Excellence in Road Logistics, brought to you by Indian Oil in association with Times Network, celebrated the unsung heroes in the road logistics space.
Road logistics is the most prolific means of transportation in this country that caters to the needs of over 1.3 billion people.
And it's road logistics that ultimately empowers consumers and corporations across industry to procure, produce, build, distribute and grow. Indian Oil Awards for Excellence in Road Logistics is truly a first-of-its-kind awards platform. To arrive at the winners, our highly distinguished jury got down to evaluating over 1,400 entries that poured in from all corners of the country. So next we bring you an audio-visual of the multi-month-long campaign that has culminated in tonight's award ceremony.
India is a $2.5 trillion economy that is poised to hit $5 trillion by the year 2025. The country's road logistics industry not only caters to the needs of over 1.1 billion people in India, but also provides a livelihood to over 22 million people across the country. So we at Indian Oil and the Times Network felt the need to honor and recognize the invaluable efforts and contribution of the fleet logistics operators in the industry. A panel of eminent jurors across Mumbai and Delhi got down to analyzing over 1,400 entries that poured in from across the country over a period of 2 months.
The Indian market is completely different. A lot of the people are doing the right things. You need to work with locals in a different way. You know, the drivers, their whole philosophy and all is very different.
I'm actually surprised and I'm happy that all levels of players are there, right from small companies to large players.
You've got very interesting awards like Women Achiever.
I was also very pleasantly surprised by some of the ladies who were taking in this so-called man's industry. I think women can also play their role.
Hopefully we have found a lot of people among the participants who are having that vision to change.
And tonight we celebrate these success stories. Indian Oil Awards for Excellence in Road Logistics.
As we kick off the evening, I'd like to invite up on stage Chief Editor IP's Times Network, Mihir Bhatt.
This initiative deserves a huge round of applause simply because at Times Network, our agenda has always been to keep nation building at the forefront. If this economy has to grow to 5 trillion and eventually to 10 trillion and beyond, I don't think this would be possible without contribution of some of the very key sectors, logistics being one of them.
To deliver the keynote address this evening, we thought nobody would be more appropriate than an industry veteran with over 3 decades of experience in the petroleum distribution business across multiple geographies. I ask that you please join me in welcoming Director Marketing Indian Oil and an industry pioneer in his own right, Mr. Gurmeet Singh.
Logistics has been one of the major catalysts in the growth of human civilization, and it continues to shape the progress and economy of the nations all across the world. The road logistics in particular has been pivotal in the growth of commerce of all progressive nations. Much of India's growth is a result of road logistics infrastructures. I express my best wishes to this event, my sincere appreciation and applaud for the winners and other nominees. I wish you all the best for this great evening. Thank you very much.
The Indian Oil Awards for Excellence in Road Logistics are designed to acknowledge and honor changemakers.
It's finally time that we reveal the recipients of the very coveted Indian Oil Awards for Excellence in Road Logistics. I'd like to re-invite up on stage Director Marketing Indian Oil, Mr. Gurmeet Singh, Chief Editor IP's Times Network Mihir Bhatt, esteemed member of our jury, the Senior Fellow of the Indian Foundation of Transport Research, Mr. S.P. Singh.
The first award category this evening is Fastest Growing Logistics Operator of the Year. Let's take a look at the nominees.
The nominees for the Fastest Growing Logistics Operator of the Year are Om Logistics, BLR Logistics India, Goel Cargo, Ecom Express, Express Roadways, and the winner is Ecom Express.
I'd like to invite Dipanjan Banerjee, National Manager of Sales at E-Commerce Express, to receive the award.
Now moving on to our next award category, Customer Friendly Logistics Company of the Year.
The nominees for the most customer-friendly logistics company of the year are Professional Automotives, Road Cargo Movers, Gujarat Logistics, Zubin's Royal Fleet, Exim Logistics, and the winner is Exim Logistics.
I'd like to invite up on stage Madhuri Keshri Patnaik, the Managing Director at Exim Logistics, to receive the award.
This next award category is Logistics Company with the best safety standards, hazardous chemical and non-hazardous chemical.
The nominees for the Logistics Company with best safety standards, hazardous chemical and non-hazardous chemical are Fast Track Shipping and Logistics Services, CCR Logistics, Rajesh Road Lines, Agrawal Road Lines, Shankari Roadways, and the winner is Agrawal Road Lines.
Can I invite up on stage Dinesh Motilal Agarwal, Director at Agarwal Road Lines, and Bhavna Karia, Member of Agarwal Road Lines Management, to receive the award.
Most Fuel Efficient Operator of the Year.
The nominees for the most fuel efficient operator of the year are SIS Cash Services, Road Cargo Movers, Goel Cargo, Mahavira Transport, SVT Logistics, and the winner is SVT Logistics.
I'd like to invite Rakesh Agarwal, CEO of SVT Logistics, to receive the award.
So with that, we move on to our next award category, Most Environment-Friendly and Green Mover Logistics Operator of the Year.
The nominees for the most environment-friendly and green mover logistics operator of the year are Exim Logistics, Mahavira Transport, BLR Logistics India, Parveen Travels, Shankari Roadways, and the winner is Exim Logistics.
I'd once again like to invite up on stage Himadri Keshri Patnaik, Managing Director of Exim Logistics, to receive the award.
Mr. S.P. Singh, I thank you once more. We'd like to ask Subodh Dakwale, Executive Director, Corporate Communications and Branding, Indian Oil, to please join us on stage in presenting the next set of honors. So with that, we move on to our next award category, Best Passenger Transporter of the Year, Intercity.
The nominees for the Best Passenger Transporter of the Year, Intercity, are Jujhar Constructions and Travels, Parveen Travels, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation, Ramesh Tours and Travels, Shri Bhagyalakshmi Travels, and the winner is Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Shivayogi C. Kalasad, the Managing Director of Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation, to receive the award.
And now moving on to our next award category, Commercial Vehicle Financer of the Year.
The nominees for the Commercial Vehicle Financer of the Year are Equitas Small Finance Bank, SK FinCorp, Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services, Shakti Finance, Sundaram Finance. And the winner is Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services.
I'd like to invite Shantanu Padhe, the Business Head, Commercial Vehicles and Construction Equipments at Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services to receive the award.
Mr. Dakwale, thank you so much. I'd like to ask DK Sharma, Executive Director, Coordination, Indian Oil, and our juror, Chetan Temkar, Social Tech Entrepreneur, to please join us on stage in presenting the next category of awards. Our next category is Best Technology Adopter of the Year.
The nominees for the Best Technology Adopter of the Year are Shri Nasik Goods Transport Company, TCI Supply Chain Solutions, Safe Express, ACC, TVS Supply Chain Solutions. And the winner is TVS Supply Chain Solutions.
I'd like to invite Shiva Prakash S., the AGM at TVS Supply Chain Solutions, to accept the award.
We celebrate the commitment to excellence of some of the best in the road logistics sector.
This next award category, Employer of the Year.
The nominees for the Employer of the Year are Agrawal Road Lines, Cargo Carriers India, Express Roadways, Mahavira Transport, Shri Bhagyalakshmi Travels. And the winner is Agrawal Road Lines.
For the second time this evening, I'd like to request Mr. Dinesh Motilal Agarwal, Director at Agrawal Road Lines, and Bhavna Karia, Member of Agrawal Road Lines Management, to receive the award.
Mr. Sharma, Mr. Temkar, thank you once more. And I'd now like to invite Vigyan Kumar, Executive Director, Retail Sales, Indian Oil, and juror Jagdeep Desai, Transport Expert, to please join us on stage in presenting the next category of awards. And we now bring you Innovator of the Year.
The nominees for the Innovator of the Year are BLR Logistics India, DRS Dilip Road Lines, Goel Cargo, NTC Logistics India, Shri Nasik Goods Transport Company. And the winner is NTC Logistics India.
I'd like to invite Gurpreet Singh, Sales Manager for the Northern Region at NTC Logistics India, to receive the award.
And this next award category is certainly very special. We bring you Drivers Hall of Fame.
The nominees for the Drivers Hall of Fame are S. Sudalai Muthu, Bharat Swift Logistics, Sudhir Kumar, RN Ray Transport, SK Babu, Shri Srinivasa Travels, SM Babu, Taj Mini Lorry Service, SK Samiullah, TMT Mini Transport. And the winner is S. Sudalai Muthu, Bharat Swift Logistics.
I'd like to invite on stage S. Sudalai Muthu and S. Natesh Shankar, Managing Director of Bharat Swift Logistics, to receive the award.
Mr. Kumar, Mr. Desai, thank you once more. The next category in the lineup is Entrepreneur of the Year.
The nominees for the Entrepreneur of the Year are Chirag Katira, Director, Shri Nasik Goods Transport Company, D.A. Krishnan, Founder and CEO, Ecom Express, Nimish Saraf, CEO, Alliance Commercial Transport, Rajesh Haritash, Director, Chetak Logistics, Lalit Kumar Gandhi, Managing Director, Chartered Logistics. And the winner is Nimish Saraf, CEO, Alliance Commercial Transport.
I'd like to invite Nimish Saraf on stage to receive the award.
And up next is an especially distinguished award category, Woman Achiever of the Year.
The nominees for the Woman Achiever of the Year are Lata T.S., Public Relation Officer, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation. Divya Jain, Founder and CEO, Safe Express. Jharna Guru, Director Finance, Exim Logistics. Manju Dhawan, Co-Founder and Director Business Development, Ecom Express. Leena Shetkar, Director, Rajesh Cargo Movers India. And the winner is Lata T.S., Public Relation Officer, Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation.
I'd like to invite Ms. Lata T.S. to receive the trophy.
And the next award category tonight is Road Logistics Champion of the Year.
The nominees for the Road Logistics Champion of the Year are A to Z Logistics, Jujhar Constructions and Travels, Sugam Parivahan, Varuna Integrated Logistics, Safe Express, and the winner is Safe Express.
This is our biggest and our final award of the evening. Goes to Safe Express. I'd like to invite Vineet Kanodia, Vice President of Marketing at Safe Express, to receive the award. We've got a very special segment of the evening, which is called the Extra Power Business Leader Awards.
I'd like to take a moment to talk about Indian Oil's Extra Powers Fleet Card, because this isn't simply a program. It's a complete fleet management solution for the logistics industry. And with over 23 lakh vehicles covered under the Fleet Card program to date, Extra Power makes for the ideal choice for small fleet operators and large logistics service providers alike.
With over 25,000 outlets across the country, Extra Power is a secured, convenient, rewarding fleet loyalty program offering a gamut of services that are the best in class in the industry. Let me give you a glimpse of what you might be missing if you haven't signed up for it.
The transportation industry is progressing at breakneck speed, and there is an inevitable need for its players to adopt best practices and embrace technology. Indian Oil has always been supportive of several transporters for many decades. 15 years back, Indian Oil introduced Fleet Card program for helping transporters manage their fuel purchase across the country. Today, with the support of fleet operators, Indian Oil's Extra Power has grown to be the largest program in the country with several awards. As a progression of this idea, Indian Oil has devised yet another unique solution that will further enhance the efficiency and productivity of fleet operators. Presenting the Integrated Fleet Management Solution, offering 6 key benefits. In addition to fuel management features of the Extra Power program, owners will have the unique advantage of geofence fuel management, which provides them the option to enable fuel card transaction only when their vehicle is inside the specified retail outlet. Real-time tracking of vehicles using Google Map platform. Vehicle data is transmitted to the server every 5 seconds, ensuring greater accuracy in tracking. Analyze and improve performance using route replay option for a specific period or a trip. Fleet operators can manage driver profiles in the system by uploading driver's personal details and license number. The fleet operators can easily monitor the expiry date of driving licenses. Drivers are continuously assessed for their driving behavior by the system, and driving score is arrived based on safety and efficiency parameters. Points of interest can be created to locations such as factory, plant and yard. Routes can be created in the system with the help of Google Map platform. Owners can create trip and assign route, vehicle, drivers and client for a trip. Owners can view dynamic ETA of vehicles based on current traffic. Automated trip settlement enables owners to view all data related to a trip upon its completion. seamless integration of customers' enterprise systems such as ERP, trip management system with integrated fleet management solution. The above-mentioned features are available exclusively to Indian Oil Extra Power customers on subscription basis at very nominal prices. Indian Oil's integrated fleet management solution equips businesses with the power of technology to improve overall efficiency and productivity, thereby propelling them to greater heights.
Now, to best capture the spirit of Extra Power, we have a special set of Business Leader Awards we'd like to present next.
I'd like to invite back on stage Director Marketing Indian Oil, Mr. Gurmeet Singh, Executive Director Corporate Communications and Branding Indian Oil, Subodh Dakwale, Executive Director Coordination at Indian Oil, Mr. D.K. Sharma, Executive Director Retail Sales Indian Oil, Mr. Vigyan Kumar, ladies and gentlemen.
Our first Extra Power Business Leader Award this evening goes to the largest fleet operator in East India, which began as a small transport business with a handful of experienced personnel.
That's right, our first Extra Power Business Leader Award goes to EFC Logistics India. I'd like to invite Mr. Ajay Dhandavanya to collect the award on behalf of Mr. Pramod Gupta, the Managing Director of EFC Logistics.
And our next recipient is an enterprise that has grown into a nationally renowned logistics and transport company.
This Extra Power Business Leader Award goes to VRL Logistics. But unfortunately, Dr. Vijay Sankreshwar, the Chairman and Managing Director of VRL Logistics, was unable to join us today, but we will ensure that the award does reach him.
Our next winner is a total supply chain solutions provider whose transportation services span warehousing and distribution, international freight forwarding, customs clearance, and logistics services, both domestic and international.
This Extra Power Business Leader Award goes to Chetak Logistics. I'd like to invite Mr. Mukesh Haritash, Managing Director of Chetak Logistics, receive the award.
Next Extra Power Business Leader Award recipient enjoys a 50-year legacy in the transport industry.
This Extra Power Business Leader Award goes to Janta Roadways. Can I invite on stage Mr. Rajinder Singh, Managing Director of Janta Roadways.
And our next winner goes to a company that was created in response to changing market conditions in the Indian logistics industry.
Our fifth and final Extra Power Business Leader Award goes to DHL E-Commerce India. I'd like to invite the CEO Vikas Mohan to accept the award.
The vision behind today's event is to facilitate the best performing transporters, logistic players, so that they can perform much better in future. And this facilitation will improve their logistics improvements, and it will improve efficiency in transportation business.
We are also happy that we could be a part of their journey. That itself also is a good feeling, that you get a long-term bonding with customers as well as they become now partner.
It was a first of its kind for us and for the country also, and it was quite overwhelming for us.